Stop everything. Imagine a car that redefines luxury so completely, it makes even a Rolls-Royce feel ordinary. Meet the 2026 Mercedes Maybach S 680 Haute Voiture. For the next few minutes, I'll take you inside its world of couture design, mechanical artistry, and absurd exclusivity. This is automotive royalty, and every detail was curated like a private fashion show. Drive up, and the first thing that hits you is the presence. The two-tone paint reads like a runway look, muted silk on the lower panels, deep gloss on top, an homage to French haute couture. That front end is pure theater. A cathedral-sized chrome grille that frames the Maybach emblem like a crown, accompanied by narrow laser headlights whose lighting signature literally performs as you approach. Look at the 21-inch forged wheels, articulated spokes, mirror polish, and a stance that says this car doesn't just arrive, it announces. Every panel has been quieted, aligned, and finished until the reflections on the body look like silk folding under a spotlight. Price tag $350,000. But value? Impossible to reduce to numbers. Open the rear door and step into a world that should be illegal for a motor vehicle. Diamond-stitched Nappa leather wraps every visible surface. Swarovski crystal accents catch the light, turning simple controls into tiny installations. Solid rose gold trim traces the dashboard and door handles. The warmth of the metal against the cool leather is a study in contrast. The rear seats are configured like two executive thrones, separated by a center console that's a piece of furniture in its own right. Champagne chillers, folding picnic tables finished in veneer, and reclining seats with full-length leg extensions mean you can hold a conference call or fall asleep like a monarch. The cabin is not built for transportation. It's built for being hosted. Now the gadgets. Ambient lighting with over 2 million color permutations turns mood setting into an art form. You can program themes to match time of day, outfit, or event. The Burmester audio system is a 42-speaker orchestra, tuned to make live strings feel like they're playing inside your skull. The infotainment is intuitive, but the real show is the custom fragrance system that releases maison-level scents developed exclusively for Haute Voiture clients. Imagine stepping into a scent that smells like bespoke leather, cedar, and a hint of bergamot. Everything composed to enhance presence and memory. Personal profiles store seat position, climate, fragrance, lighting, and even a preferred playlist. Handing the car to someone else should feel like visiting another person's private club. Under the hood sits a handcrafted 6.0-liter twin-turbo V12. This isn't an assembly line engine. It's made by hand, balanced with an artisan's patience, producing 612 horsepower and a delivery that's both imperial and subtle. At idle, the V12 murmurs like a concert grand warming up. Under throttle, it becomes a disciplined roar. Massive thrust that arrives without aggression. Suspension tuning prioritizes serenity. Active air springs and predictive damping smooth the road into a silk sheet. Yet when you ask for it, the chassis reveals hidden athleticism. Precise, heavy, confident. The paradox is intentional. A car that can ferry heads of state in whispering comfort and then surprise you with composure on a twisty back road. What sets Haute Voiture apart is the attention to human moments. The rear seats offer multi-axis massage programs that alternate compression and heat patterns, designed with physiotherapists to reduce fatigue on transcontinental drives. Heated and ventilated armrests, integrated tablet controls in each door, and an executive tray with wireless charging are small details that feel revolutionary in practice. The doors close with a hydraulic hush. Even the sound of the glove box closing is tuned to be pleasing. Safety is discreet. Adaptive cruise with chauffeur modes, night vision, and an invisible net of sensors that orchestrate positioning without ever calling attention to itself. Only 150 units worldwide. That scarcity transforms ownership into membership. Each delivery includes a matching luggage set crafted from the same leather. A limited edition Haute Voiture timepiece engraved with your chassis number. and a lifetime concierge service for maintenance, travel logistics, and bespoke requests. The buying process isn't transactional. It's a ritual, an appointment in a private salon where your preferences are cataloged and preserved. You don't just get a car. You inherit a lifestyle with a tailor, a curator, and a directory of privileges. Is it worth $350,000? If you measure cars by speed and lap times alone, the question misses the point. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach S 680 Haute Voiture is about craft, identity, and exclusive experience. It's a rolling suite, a personal atelier, and an announcement all at once. For those who equate ownership with statement, it is priceless. For the rest, it's a breathtaking example of how far automotive design can push the idea of luxury. If this deep dive into automotive extravagance resonated with you, do me a favor. Like the video, subscribe for more rare automotive reveals, and drop a comment naming the next super luxury car you want decoded. Share this with someone who understands what true luxury looks like. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative video.